Adventures.
My name's Emmy.
And my name's JJ.
What we have here is Galaxy Slimy Glue.
And we also have Lava Slimy Glue.
These are easy to make, and you get them at Walmart for $5. It says easy to mix and make fun creations for slime.
And this is Lava Gloopy Slime. You can pick them up at Walmart. And they're $5. And this is easy to mix and make fun creations. And it also has add sand and toy dinos.
Now it's time to make slimy glue. Now I'm going to open mine because here, I got his open again. Now, you got the stick, the dye, the activator, the glitter, the white glue, more dye, cup, spoon, and the instructions.
And mine has Gloopy Gloop white, red sand to make the color, the activator, the 2 plastic dinosaurs, the mixing stick, the spoon, and the measuring cup.
Now you have to pour 30 into it and then pour it in and put 20 in afterwards.
Alright, got mine. Pour mine in.
Then 20.
Then 20. Don't get it mixed up with the 25, like I just did.
I just mixed it up to 25. Got it.
Yep. Alright.
Alright.
Then it says next to got that. This says using the spoon provides scoop out 1 leveled spoonful of sodium tetrate, which is this.
So scoop, you said?
Yes. Into the cup of water. So 1 scoop. So
wait, scissors.
Yeah.
I'll go first.
1 scoop.
Oh. That's 1 scoop. Yeah, I ain't a scoop.
Just like that, I guess. Put it in. Look at mine. Alright. I do not want that to spill.
Okay, then it says to stir the solution with the plastic spoon until the sodium tetrate dissolves. Set and avoid. So you gotta wait until all of it's gone and all mixed up, till all the activators dissolve. Oh, it was cold. Still adding it. Look, I still have to mix. You're ready. Okay, now I'm finishing mixing mine.
Me too. So I haven't dissolved.
It takes a while to dissolve.
Yeah.
It kind of dissolve a little. Keep mixing. I don't know how many it's going to be. That's how it's supposed to be. Do you think that's how it's supposed to be?
Yes. I think mine's all dissolved.
I think mine is almost aside.
Now it says to
set aside. Fill a cup.
Fill a second cup with 45 milliliters. That would be up to 25, then the 20.
You said 45 millimeters?
Yes. That would be 25 to 20. So pour it up with 25 first. Oh, that's 30.
Oh, put it up.
I got
Is
25.
it at 25, Aiden?
Yes.
Okay, is that another bowl?
Yes, another bowl. And put my second one up to 20.
Is the second one you set up to 20?
Yes. Yes, it's on 20. Then it says measure 1/3 of the glue into the second cup of warm water.
So what would that be?
So 1/3 would be that's 1.5. So it's 3/4. I don't see no 1/3.
Would it be? I think it would be 1/2.
Alright, now we're going to start pouring the glue in. Take it all the way to the 15, which is where mine is.
And then what does it say afterwards?
Now it says then it says measure and pour 16 milliliters of glue into the second cup of water.
Okay, I figured it out. You have to pour it in which cup?
The second one.
Second one to this one?
Yes. Must be.
I'm going to have to use this darn stick.
Alright. Let me get this stirring stick now. Start mixing that.
I'm starting to mix it. We're going to keep stirring until we get the right color. Oh. Actually, it's cool so far.
Yep.
We're going to put the dye in now. One, two, add this, and I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to keep mixing it until it's full color. Then add the purple. Now add the purple in. One, two. Then mix it. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Kind of looks kind of purplish and bluish. So it's kind of turning a little more darker. And then it says add half of the sprinkles in. Need the scissors. That should be enough. And it says add half of somewhere. I'll add this to it. Now I'll mix it. It's kind of turning. It's turning. slimy feeling. More slimy it gets every time you add the water into it.
So now you add this into mine, a little bit at a time. Start mixing it. Mine's turning too. Now we're gonna add my sand to it. Which is reddish orange sand. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. I'm gonna add all of it. Now you start mixing it. Oh, it's kind of red. Orangish color. So cool. Add more of this. Right? Yep. Add more sand. This is cool. Let's see. Yep, it's slimy. Sticky still. Keep mixing. Add more sand. Add some more of this. Ooh, I'm getting a good color. These slime kits are awesome.
Now, that's slimy glue. Pretty sticky.
This is how mine turned out.
This is how mine turned out.
Reddish color. Just like the
Bluish
thing
color.
says.
Just like the thing said.
Now, I hope you guys like this video.
I hope you all like this video and subscribe, share, and like.
On Amazing Kids
Adventures.
Bye.
Bye.